Hi everyone, I'm Albina and I'm really excited to share Sprout Living's simple sunflower seed protein. It's made from 100% organic, non-GMO DeHold sunflower seeds native to North America. Rather than using harsh chemicals, they use a cold pressing process to naturally concentrate the protein, which means that all of the nutritional goodness is kept intact. And like all of Sprout Living's products, it is fully certified organic and plant-based. So that means grown without chemicals and excludes all animal ingredients. It's also entirely free of GMOs, grains, gluten, soy, and dairy. Besides offering 15 grams of protein per serving and healthy fats and valuable vitamins and minerals like vitamin E and selenium, simple sunflower seed protein is also hypoallergenic and easily digested. A mild and nutty flavor along with a smooth texture makes it totally customizable. That means you can mix it into smoothies, stir it into your oatmeal, and mix it into your next batch of baked goods for a nutritional boost. It is perfect for everyone, especially those with food allergies, dietary restrictions, and just for purists at heart. And as always, plant life to thrive.